century. Ethnic groups like English, Welsh, Scots inhabited British Isles, having their own cultural and political basis. So this is how it started. So that inhabited is to bring into existence. So the ethnic group people of English, Welsh and Scots, they were the one who brought this into existence with their own culture and political base. Growth of English nation's wealth and power. English Parliament ceased monarchy in 1688. Act of Union 1707 between England and Scotland formed United Kingdoms of Great Britain. Systematic suppression of Scottish culture language by English began. Many were driven out of their homeland. So complete systematic suppression. So suppression is to bring down of Scottish culture. So Scotland culture and language of English started. So they started suppressing the Scottish culture and English language, which led to the driving out of people from their homeland. British helped Protestants against Catholic of Ireland. Later Catholic revolt as suppressed. In 1801, Ireland was also incorporated forcibly into United Kingdom. So this is how in 1801 Ireland was also incorporated forcibly into UK, United Kingdom. Visualizing nations began to be portrayed as female figures called allegory. So you can see the female figure here, which is called as the holding the sword and the flag in the other hand, the tricolor flag in the other hand. So this is called as female allegories. Like how we have the Statue of Liberty. Ideas like liberty, justice and republic too were personified as female figures. Allegories were erected at squares to mark national unity. So these female allegories were used to mark national unity. Coins and stamps too carried their images. So all the coins and the stamps also had the images of this female allegories. Marianne represented Republic of France and Germania portrayed German nation. So the Republic of France was represented by Marianne and German nation was portrayed by Germania. Then comes nationalism and imperialism with Balkan issue. Balkan is nothing but the region in Europe. Balkans became the source of nationalist tension in Europe after 1871. So this region became the source of nationalist tension during 1871. It was too a region of geographical and ethnic variation. So there were complete variations of geographical and also ethnic there in this region. Inhabited by slaves and was under control of Ottoman Empire. Ideas of nationalism swept over entire Balkan region.